This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Ann Foster. New construction 3-bedroom plus study or 4th bedroom / 3 full baths plus half bath, Georgian plan in Meadow Crest Subdivision. Bright and very open floor plan with nice cabinets, huge island, large pantry, stainless appliances, granite counters, breakfast area and separate dining space with coffered ceiling. Vaulted great room with stone fireplace. Master bedroom has tray ceiling, master bath with separate tub and shower, dual sinks, large walk-in closet, large laundry room and powder room. Second bedroom with private bath. The third bedroom and study share a Jack and Jill bath. Blinds throughout. 2-car attached garage. Covered front and back porches. Irrigation system with sod in front yard. Quiet neighborhood with street lights, low HOA fees and close to everything the lake area has to offer. Seller will pay some closing costs with preferred lender, Kelly Dover, Cross Country Mortgage 670-8283-1200.